This video and all content on this channel is performed by a pest control professional, and it is always recommended to hire a pest control pro in your area to perform any pest control in or outside your home. Pesticides can harm you and your loved ones. Anyone who is performing the information in this video is doing so at their own risk. If you decide to try the info provided in this video, please always check with the local laws in your area and read the labels of any product you use. The label is the law.
All right, so today I've been called out to get rid of a hornet nest, specifically the bald-faced hornets. Look at this, isn't this a beauty? Now, if you're wanting to get rid of a hornet nest this size, as long as you can see it really well, like the papers right there, they're right there on the side of the house, then what you want to do is you want to get in there, you want to spray up in that hole, kill the hornets in the hole as they're going in and out. They're going to have a real hard time going in and out. Let's go show you how it's done. All right, so what we've got is our sprayer. It's actually a B&G model. Nice high pressure. You want to make sure you pump it up real good. Make sure you fill it to maximum quantity so you get the most oomph for your money. Crikey, this is a huge one, mate. Let's see what we can do. See how hard it is going to be to get rid of this monster. Doesn't help that there's a lot of bushes in the way. We don't want them to see us. We want to sneak up nice and slow. And you see how the hole, it's like it's coming out through the side. So you gotta be real quiet. Don't want to upset them. Oh boy, they're looking right at me. Let's just spray right up in there and try to get them good. Oh boy, they're getting angry now. Look at them flying all over the place. Oh, just soak it down. Let it drip everywhere so that when they come back from wherever they are, they gotta crawl all around on it. And then you want to get out of there as quickly as you can. Oh, crikey. That's a crazy monster there. Let's see if we can get a real up-close shot. All right. Now, as the hornets come back and they crawl all over that nest, they'll die. Not only that, they'll take the pesticide it's treated with all the way up into the nest, killing even the young as they hide, thinking they're safe, but they're not. So, probably in about a week or so, the customer will be able to get a pressure washer to it and wash it off the side of the house because all the hornets will be dead. So, if you like this kind of content, teaching you how to get rid of hornets, then by all means, like and subscribe. See you next time.